in Azam City. You're watching One TV News Channel. One TV News Channel. Serving you with information, news, sports, and public affairs. One TV News Channel. One TV News Channel. Serving you with love. Ang telebisyong pangmasa. One TV News Channel. One TV News Channel. One TV special report.
Maayong hapon kanatong tanan. My afternoon greetings to the honorees, our invited guests, and of course, those who are seated here on stage. We have first and foremost, we are acknowledging our beloved City Mayor, the Chairman of the Local School Board, Attorney San Norman G. Puentes. Bigyan natin ng masigabong palakpakan. Ang ating mahal na City Vice Mayor, Honorable Simplicia O. Neri. Bigyan natin ng masigabong palakpakan. Ang lahat ng mga miyembro ng Sangguniang Panlungsod. And we are so blessed this afternoon, representing that we are graced by the presence of our City Councilor, Education Committee Chair, representing the City Government of Azamis, the Sangguniang Panlungsod. We welcome Honorable Cecil Y. Co. Good afternoon po, Honorable Con. We are also graced by the presence of the barangay officials coming from Barangay 50th District and Barangay Tinago, and joining us at this very moment, our Honorable Punong Barangay, Honorable Evelyn Ricamadas. Good afternoon po, Honorable Kapitan. And of course, from the Division Office, I am joined by our Education Program Supervisor, Dr. Loysander C. Loy Ceci. Sir, good afternoon. And our focal person for the Brigada Eskwela program. And she has been working on this program for so many years already. Our dear partner, the Division Information Officer, Senior Education Program Specialist for Social Mobilization and Networking, Miss Arlene C. Villa. And of course, Madam Rona Agustin, the partner also of Arlene Villa. Here in District 2, we are graced, of course, the Motherly Public Schools District Supervisor of District 2, Madam Milagro Z. Mendoza. Good afternoon po. And of course, thank you po. We are also graced by the presence, of course, our host school. Full force po sila ngayon, of course, always. Galing pa straight from Villa Paglia, binilisan namin ang pagpapatakbo para makarating dito. The School Principal 2, Mr. Eugenio C. Bungkog, sir. The School Principal 1, Madam Ami Ugaw-Ugaw. The Principal 1, Madam Maricel Olandre. And Master Teacher 2, equivalent to Principal 1, Mr. Francisco L. Mr. Franz Pasco. So, please allow me also to recognize our PTA President of OCCS. May I request assistance po? Yes, thank you. We have here in the list SPTA officers. We will request our SPTA officers to stand up, led by the President, Mr. Arnold Lapot. Sir, good afternoon po. Bigyan natin ng masigabong palakpakan. After my share, our ETS SEPS in SLN will acknowledge our partners and stakeholders. But of course, she has that opportunity, but hayaan niyo po akong i-acknowledge ang ating mga media partners na mga nandirito, no? Mindanao Daily Pulse, Mindanao Pulse Forum, Ascenso Samis News Channel, the other one, Misamis News Network, One TV, and many others, and also those who will be posting this coverage. Magandang hapon po sa ating lahat. Bigyan natin na masigabong palakpakan ang ating mga sarili. Ang ating mga partners from Real Credit, nandyan sa gilid, ang ating manager, kasama ng kanyang team, bigyan natin ng masigabong palakpakan. Ang ating mga CBRC, Car Balita Review Center, tama, so we will acknowledge them, please rise. And those that I will be missing later, Miss Arlivia will recognize. But of course, hindi natin kakalimutan ang ating mga mahal na mga kaguruan dito sa Ozani City Central School. Magsitayo po ang lahat ng ating mga guro dito sa OCCS. Thank you very much po sa inyong pagiging aktibo. Sa puntong ito, i-acknowledge rin natin ang ating mga parents and guardians na nandito. Please rise for recognition. Ang ating mga parents, ang ating mga guardians na nandito. Ang ating mga kabataan na nag-play kanina, bigyan natin ng masigabong palakpakan. Okay, sino pa? Ang ating mga barangay officials and other staff or officials from 50th District, maliban kay Kapitan. Sino dito ang mga taga 50th District? Please raise your hands. Ang ating mula sa Barangay Tinago, sa pamumuno ni Punong Barangay Ricky Fuentes, bigyan natin ng masigabong palakpakan. Okay, ano pong grupo natin, yung mga nasa likod ng, ma'am, yung sa likod nyo, ano pong grupo natin? Yung mga nasa likod nila, yung mga naka-orange din. Okay, mga parents natin, SPPA. Friends, ladies and gentlemen, tayo po ay nagkakaisa sa hapong ito, sa pagdiriwang, sa pagtatapos ng ating pagdiriwang sa linggong ito sa Brigada Eskwela 2026. Ngunit, hindi po nagtatapos ang ating Brigada Eskwela o yung tinatawag nating National Schools Maintenance Week. Nandito tayo ngayon sa katapusan, sa last day ng ating National Schools Maintenance Week, also known as, popularly called as, Brigada Eskwela. While the Brigada Eskwela 1-week period will end, ito po ay isang hudyat na magsisimula na ang tinatawag nating Brigada Eskwela Plus. Ano po ang ibig sabihin ng Brigada Eskwela Plus? Ang Brigada Eskwela Plus ay ang buong taon na paghahanda at pagpapanatili, pagsiguro ng ating mga paralan ay talagang kaaya-aya, ligtas, malinis, at katanggap-tanggap sa mata ng mga bata at ng mga magulang, at ang ating mga paralan, ang ating mga silid-aralan ay talagang magagamit para sa ating mga kabataan. Bago ko po sila kalimutan, hindi ko po sila nakakalimutan, ang ating mahal na mga kapatid, brothers and sisters from the Division Office, please rise, Division Office personnel, Engineer Paul, and the rest of our colleagues, running officer, engineer, ating mga kasamahan sa Division Office. Thank you po. Maraming salamat po. Pwede na po tayo magsigo po. Ulitin ko, tayo po ay nagkakaisa sa ngalan po ng pag-ibig. Anong awitin yun? Ipaglalaban ko sa ngalan ng pag-ibig. Sa ngalan ng ating pagmamahal para sa ating mahal na mga kabataan o sa Lisnon, sa ating mahal na mga kabataan mula dito sa OCCS, kahit ano-ano pa ang kanilang mga pinag-aaralan. Kami po, few minutes ago, nanggaling po kami doon sa Villa Pablia Resort. Doon po sa may Rizal, Barangay Tolon, Rizal, sapagkat doon po ay ginanap kahapon at ngayon ay patuloy na ginaganap ang tinatawag nating Inclusive Education Program Conference. So lahat ng mga programa na pwede nating bigyan ng suporta para ang ating mga kabataan ay mabigyan ng sapat na panahon at bigyan ng oportunidad. Dito sa Ozami City Central School, tayo po ay natutuwa na nandito po sa ating paralan ang iba't ibang mga programa para sa ating mga kabataan, regular program for learners, meron tayong special program for science and technology, meron tayong special program sa ating mga kabataan, meron tayo, nag-implement tayo dito sir ng IT education, meron tayong teacher na implementing IT Ed, meron tayong mga learners na ang background nila ay Maranao, kausog ba yung iba? So, sila po ay followers ng faithful ng relihiyong Islam, kung kaya suportado po natin ang Arabic language and Islamic values education. Yun po ang naganap at kasalukuyang ginaganap doon sa Villa Pablia, kung saan ang mga resources po para sa ating mga kabataan ay handa na pong gagamitin. Binilisan po natin, pero siniguro natin hindi yon minabadali lamang. Binibilisan natin para magagamit yon sa darating na pasukan, sa darating na Lunes. So sa inyong lahat na mga mahal na mga guro dito sa OCCS at sa mga magulang, sa ating mga school officials, sa lahat division office personnel, please accept our warmest gratitude for your commendable service, your commitment in ensuring that our classrooms are made available and ready, safe, and conducive for the learning of our learners. Mabuhay po kayong lahat. Nais ko po kayong isa-isahing kumustahin at pasalamatan. Ngunit siguro maya-maya magagawa natin yon. Tanggapin niyo po ang aking taos-pusong pasasalamat sa inyong patuloy na pagsuporta at pagsiguro na ang ating paaralan ligtas at saka welcoming sa ating mga bata sa darating na Lunes. At magpapatuloy ito sa buong taon sapagkat ang Brigada Eskwela Week ay natatapos ngayon. Ngunit ito rin ang simula sa tinatawag nating Brigada Eskwela Plus na siyang mag-cover sa buong taon. Maraming salamat! Congratulations OCCS community! Mabuhay ang ating mga mahal na mga Osamisnon learners, ang ating mga division officials, and I officially welcome you all to this culmination program of the Schools Division of Ozami City for the Brigada Eskwela 2026. Mabuhay po tayo and may God bless us all.
Thank you, Sir Dion. I guess this is just about the right time for us to acknowledge our stakeholders. And for that, we would like to request everyone to please give them a round of applause to Barangay Captain Ricky R. Fuentes and Council of Tinago, to Barangay Captain Evelyn L. Ricamadas and Council of 50th District. Thank you, ma'am. SPTA officers headed by Arnold Lapod. Sir, thank you. Misamis University College of Education, Gokong Way Brothers Foundation and Robinson's Supermarket Ozamis, McDonald's, Real Credit Corporation, our friends, Tindog sa Daubi, Ugwara-wara, thank you so much. Home Credit Corporation, Carl Balita Review Center, Paglaom, dako yun kayo kang Paglaom. BDO Main Branch, BDO One Network, Tagum Cooperative, our friends from City Savings. Kasita ko ganina. Thank you, sir, and welcome. Crown Paper Corporation, MoLC2, and of course, Titemco. Shall we give them a round of applause because they are the partners of Ozami City Central School. This time, let us now listen to the presentation of completed projects within OCCS and, of course, the message of support from our very own Education Committee Chair, City Councilor, Honorable Cecile Wine Cole. Hello, good afternoon everyone. My good kanon kay init. Greetings, of course, first to our LGU officials, by Attorney the City Council, DepEd officials, headed by SDS Sir Johnny, and of course, my family, my DepEd family, teachers, school head, Principal Eugene, parents, school alumni na bata, mga local volunteers nato, and of course, the last but not the least, our barangay officials, now here with us, Kapitan Bilen Ricamadas. So this year's Brigada Eskwela brought us once more together to clean. Of course, huwag yun ay una masulod sa itong una-una. Pag Brigada Eskwela, manglimpyo na sad. Repair and prepare the school for the coming academic year, which will be this Monday already. This is the time where we set and bring our best efforts and most of all, our labor of love to set the physical environment of the school to make it more enticing or more inviting to the learners and getting them excited to be back to school once again. So guided by the theme, sa ganito itong theme na dinha, wala. Bayanihan sa paaralan, nagkakaisa para sa kaayusan at kaalaman. So kaayusan at kaalaman. So order and knowledge. Murag peace and order, no? Nga, dili ta makaingon nga 100% peaceful atong lugar kung wala order, kung walay order or nagkagubot ang palibot. So it's the same with our school. It says that our thing says we cannot optimize our learning kung ang palibot sa bata nagkagubot ang classroom, guba-gubaon ang classroom, hugaw ang classroom. So with this theme, we, the stakeholders, ensure that quality and effective learning shall be maximized in our educational system. So every year, nagitay Brigada Eskwela. And a major part of Brigada Eskwela is the focus on school facilities. Whether it be in form of improvement or building of new structures. This is because teaching literacy requires more than a chalkboard or what we call the usual term nato, blackboard. Learning is enhanced when teachers and learners are in safe and secured learning spaces. Take note of the word learning spaces. No? We are not referring only to a classroom. Sa una, maguna-una, magyuta. Basta eskwela, gani, sa classroom, yun na. If there is no classroom, then we cannot conduct classes. Diba? Mauna atong usual concept. But learning is not limited to a single space in the school campus, but it includes all the spaces inside the campus because modern education addresses all types of learning modalities. Kung naatay different types of intelligences, kailangan lagi nga ang pagka-bright nato dili lang man sa usa ka area. Kung bright ta og math, mo na i-consider nato nga maura nga bright. Kung dili ta bright og math, dili ta bright og reading, that means dili daw ta intelligent. Pero considering that there are so many types and areas of intelligences, not only reading, not only literacy, but also in movement, no? Curriculum, sports, music, and arts. We are looking into the learning of the child outside the classroom as well. So speaking of which, speaking of spaces, please allow me to present to you the highlight of this year's Brigada Eskwela here in Osamis City Central School. The highlight, this highlight is a solid proof and result of a strong collaboration with the Ascenso Osamis Administration, the DepEd Osamis Division, and the community kamo stakeholders. Ladies and gentlemen, it is my honor and pride to showcase the completed, later mga tumantano, completed programs and projects supported by LGU's Special Education Fund here in Osamis City Central School. So sa gawas, makakita tag project, yung tag, this is where your taxes go. Diri po sa atong eskwelahan, we will also say, this is where your SEF go. Your Special Education Fund na inyong gibayran, diri na punta. So number one, we have the City Central School school fence completion. No? Pagpasan nato ato ang, wala to pictures, Sir Dion, wala. So imagine nato, di ba inisulod nato, kompleto na ang ato ang repair and painting of the school fence. Makabaluta na naanata sa Osamis kung makakita tag-eskwelahan, public school, na ang fence color blue and orange, uniform na siya gikan sa sinusa Labinay. Gikan sa Labinay, paingon sa Gango highway, especially sa highway. Makabalo na ka nga naa na ta sa Osamis City tungod ani uniform school fences completely gate na siya and hand washing facility kay gikan pa man na atong COVID na time. And the second completed project is the second gate of the school. Diba we have the main gate. We also have a second gate diri sa side. Mao na ni siya. So makakita diha punta same color and same design of the gate.